Tension gripped the city of Chandigarh today as air raid sirens were unexpectedly sounded across multiple sectors. The alarms, typically reserved for emergency drills or wartime scenarios, left residents stunned and scrambling for safety. Authorities immediately issued an advisory urging all citizens to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary movement until further notice.
ये सभी ध्यान दें, जैसे ही चंडीगढ़ में जिस भी टाइम सायरन की आवाज आती है, तुरंत रोड और पार्क को छोड़ के अपने घरों के अंदर चले जाएं। कोई रोड और पार्क पे न मिले, नियर बाई अगर आपका मकान नहीं है तो नियर बाई बिल्डिंग में चले जाएं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। रोड और पार्क के अंदर कोई नहीं मिलेगा। जैसे ही सायरन की आवाज सुनाई देती है, अपने घरों के अंदर चले जाएं।
Panic briefly ensued in marketplaces and schools, with many rushing to shelter, unsure of what was happening. According to initial reports from the Chandigarh administration, the sirens were part of an unplanned emergency response protocol triggered due to a high alert situation. While no official threat has been confirmed yet, defense experts suggest this could be linked to ongoing regional tensions or a potential airspace violation. Security forces have been deployed at key locations, and the airspace over Chandigarh is currently being closely monitored. The administration has urged the public to remain calm and refrain from spreading rumors on social media. Meanwhile, residents took to social media to share videos of the sirens and empty streets, with hashtags like #ChandigarhAlert and #AirRaid trending nationwide. Schools and colleges have been advised to suspend operations temporarily, and emergency services are on high alert. Authorities are expected to hold a press briefing soon to clarify the situation. Stay tuned as we continue to track this developing story. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates right here.